Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by readying the hardware. Charge the Quantum 610 briefly, then power it on and set its mode for PC. Plug the USB-C wireless dongle into a rear USB 3.0 port for best signal and reduced interference. Once done, make sure Windows recognizes a new USB audio device in the system tray. If using wired mode, connect the included 3.5 mm cable to your PC's headphone jack and the headset. This starts the audio path immediately. You now configure Windows so audio uses the headset correctly. Right-click the speaker icon and open Sound Settings. Under Output and Input, choose the Quantum 610 device. Next, click Device Properties and advance to set the sample rate to 48,000 Hz for balanced quality and mic sync. Also check the app-level audio. Set your game or communication app to the same device. Once matched, verify sound by playing a test tone and speaking into the mic to confirm pickup. You finish by installing JBL Quantum Engine so you can update firmware, customize EQ, and manage mic settings. Launch the app, check for firmware updates, and run the microphone calibration. Save a profile for gaming and another for chat. Once done, test in your primary applications to confirm voice and game audio balance. If problems persist, try repairing the dongle, plugging into a different USB port, or restarting Windows. This usually resolves driver or USB handshake issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.